Human resources is a vital subject that focuses on managing the people aspect of an organization. To excel in this field, individuals must possess strong interpersonal skills, effective communication, problem-solving ability, empathy, and a deep understanding of organizational dynamics and labor law. The variety of skills one can excel in within HR is diverse, including talent acquisition, talent management, HR operations, training and development, organization development, payroll and compliance, and total rewards. Each skill requires a unique blend of knowledge, strategic thinking, and the ability to align HR practices within organizational goals. Now let's shift our focus to financial dimensions. As you embark on your journey as HR professional, get ready to witness a thriving expansion in your income. Beginning at around 3 lakhs per annum, it can elevate to 6 lakhs per annum within 5 years and further so to 12 lakhs per annum within 10 years. After 15 years, it has the potential to exceed to 40 lakhs per annum. Skilling courses in HR provide a solid foundation and advanced techniques in this dynamic field. These courses offer specialized knowledge, practical training, and exposure to industry best practices. By investing in skilling courses, individuals can enhance their employability, access a range of career opportunities, and potentially achieve financial rewards in various fields of HR, where skilled professionals are highly valued for their contributions to organizational success. All the best.